How to improve your English grammar the smart way. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Start. Today we're going to talk about grammar. Yes, I know, grammar isn't the most exciting topic. But what if I told you that you don't need to study hundreds of grammar rules to speak English well? In this video, I'll show you how to improve your grammar naturally and easily. Step number 1, focus on the most important grammar rules first. Many learners try to memorize every grammar rule. But the truth is, you only need to master a few key rules to communicate clearly. Past, present, and future tense. Subject-verb agreement. Prepositions, in, on, at, etc. If you focus on these, you'll already be speaking correctly 90% of the time. Step number 2, learn grammar through examples, not just rules. Instead of memorizing complex explanations, learn grammar in real sentences. For example, instead of, the past tense of go is went because it's an irregular verb. Just remember, yesterday I went to the store. This is faster and easier than memorizing rules. Step number 3, speak first, fix mistakes later. Many learners don't speak because they're afraid of making mistakes. But here's the truth. Mistakes are good. They mean you're learning. Speak naturally. Don't worry about small mistakes. Ask AI or a tutor to correct your sentences later. The more you use English, the more your grammar will improve. Step number 4, use AI to check your grammar instantly. AI tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT can correct your mistakes instantly. Type a sentence and ask AI to fix it. Learn why it was wrong. Try saying the correct version out loud. For example, if you write, "He go to work every day," AI will correct it too. "He goes to work every day." Simple, right? Challenge, speak without worrying about grammar. I challenge you to speak in English for 5 minutes today. Don't worry about grammar. Just speak. Tell me in the comments if you tried this challenge. Learning grammar doesn't have to be boring. If you practice, make mistakes, and get feedback, your grammar will improve naturally. So keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.